Hi there, friend. Our lesson for today is all about the modal verbs. You can just see the post there. I really wanted to, explain more about it, but the maximum upload minute for in this site YouTube is for only 10 minutes, so I'll just make it very short. All right, so our lesson is a modal verb, and as we know, modal verbs are special kinds of verbs. Last time we also learned the word special. Well, anyway, it depends on how you use it, with the s or es, special. So modal verbs are special verbs which behave very differently from the normal verbs. We have here examples. He can, for modal verbs, rule number 1, by the way, modal verbs do not take s in the third person. Okay, so modal verb is not an action word. Unlike in the third person, in simple present, we add s, like he speaks Chinese. But if we're going to add the modal verb can, it becomes he can speak Chinese. So with that can, our modal, the verb speak has no more s. It must take the base form, speak. He can speak Chinese. Same as the next example. She should be here by 9. Should be is the base form of am is are. It is not right, it is wrong, a big X, when you say she should is here by 9. No, that's not right. Why? Because modal verb must be followed by the base form of the verb. So should be, she should be here by 9. The next one, my friend, is to you use not to make modal verbs negative, even in simple present and simple past. It's a very basic rule. So when we make the sentence or the verb into its negative form, we add the not. For example, he should not be late. Should not be. Take note. They might not come to the party. If you see the placement, he, subject, then should, plus not, and verb be late. Again, the next one here, they might not come to the party. They, subject, plus might, our modal verb, plus the base, plus the not, and then the base form of the verb come. They might not come to the party. Take note, be and come. Verbs here in number 2, they are both in the base form. And verb here that preceded, okay, the modal verb should be, or I would not say should be, have to. Okay, have to be base form. Alright, let's move on to number 3. Many modal verbs cannot be used in the past tenses or the future tenses. Okay, for example, he will can go with us. Of course, it's not correct, my friends. He will can go. It's not. You cannot say that. Modal verb cannot be used in past form. Okay, but anyway, you can use it the other way, or in the future tense, he will can go. Maybe you change it to, or you can change it to, he will go with us. That is right. Another, she must study very hard. Not correct. Okay, that's not be. Well, we're going to say she had to. The past tense of must is had to. So she had to study very hard. Okay, so we cannot say that she musted. We cannot use, according to the rule, it cannot be used in the past form or the future tense. Will can, wrong. Musted, no, cannot be. Okay, we have here some, for some examples of the modal verbs: can, could, might, must, ought to, shall, should, will, and would. Well, anyway, friends, I'll just make it short. I will be posting more videos if I can about this lesson to explain more. If you have question, just post here. Just write a comment on my wall post. Have a great time. Goodbye.